I want to use this video to teach you guys how to claim your bonus prizes on that of the Dflow. Okay, so a lot of people do not actually know this, but you can actually claim some bonuses right here, and then it is going to in turn affect your Dflow XP reward and that of your balance, which is in your ledger right here. Okay, so they have like three systems right here, or tier system, that you can actually qualify as you try to refer people, like bronze right there, which I have to refer like 1 to 5 persons, and I think I've really qualified for that of the bronze. That's why the button right here changed to that of the redeem right there. Okay, then you can also qualify for silver if you refer like 6 to 10 persons, and you are going to be qualified for, but I'm not qualified for this one right here, and also that of the gold down there. Okay, I'm not yet qualified. That's why it says locked. But then for the one that I'm qualified for, it's just called the bronze, and I'm qualified. So to redeem it, just click on redeem right here. Very simple. I'm going to just go ahead and then click on that. But before I do that, let's just take a look at this message. It says receive a mystery bonus prizes every time you unlock a referral tier. Higher tier bonus prizes yield more XP. So that is just what that can actually offer you. So what we basically need to do is not hard. Just click on display where it says redeem. Okay, and you're gonna see that I'm gonna like qualify for that right now. So I've just earned about 1648 XP just now, and it's actually gonna affect the Dflow XP balance that I have. So it has been added, and I have 2634. You see that? Let's close this first of all and take a look at that, guys. So you need to check on your own and make sure that you kind of go ahead and then redeem this particular bonus right now if you have referred like 1 to 5 persons already and they have claimed their stuff from your referral tire. Okay, so if you take a look in here, you're going to see that there are people that have actually referred. So I've been offered like 1648 XP reward right now. Okay, just because I referred quite a few people from here. Some have claimed their airdrop, and some have not actually claimed. But for the people that have actually claimed already, that's why I'm qualified for that, which I have actually gotten. Okay, and I'm going to generate some code for you guys from here. Just check the description box so that you can actually get some registration code that you can actually use. I'm talking about the invite code. Okay, so that's just what that is. That's just simple how to redeem that. So they also have silver, and you are going to qualify for 350 plus 7.5% XP, but this one is actually locked for me. That's silver. I've not actually gotten up to that level. Then the another one is actually called gold, which basically is also locked right now. I've not actually gotten to that place, so I need to like refer 11 to 20 persons to actually qualify for that. Okay, so that's just basically how you can redeem your bonuses, okay, on that of the Dflow system. So if you qualify for that, it's going to just bring up that button that says redeem, and they're going to click on it and you redeem that. And I believe that this is really simple enough. So if you like the video, just give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.